Kotlin. It was developed by JetBrains in 2011. Later, in 2017, Google made it an official language for Android. Today, giants like Netflix, Uber, and Pinterest use it. Where is Kotlin used? You can build Android apps, robust backend APIs with Spring Boot, web apps, and even iOS apps using Kotlin Multiplatform. What does statically typed mean? It checks data types before running. Example 1. Setting an integer to 25 is perfectly correct and accepted. But example 2. If you try to assign a text string like 20 to that same integer variable, the compiler throws an error immediately. This prevents hidden bugs. How does Kotlin actually run? Let's break it down. First, you write your Kotlin code. The Kotlin compiler takes this code and translates it. For standard apps, it translates into bytecode. Think of bytecode as a universal language that any machine can understand. Then the JVM runs it anywhere. But what about Android? Phones don't use the standard JVM. Instead, the compiler converts your code into DEX files, which are highly optimized for mobile batteries and memory. Finally, the Android Runtime, or ART, executes these DEX files to run your app buttery smooth on the phone. Compared to Java, Kotlin is clean, null-safe, and supports modern features like coroutines and extension functions, while staying 100% Java compatible. Ready to start? Download IntelliJ IDEA, click New Project, select Kotlin and JDK, and hit Create. That brings us to the end of tutorial part 2. In the next video, we will write our first Kotlin program. Please follow for more videos.